Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you watched my last few videos and tried it. Today we are going to show how to make Nankhatai. The ingredients for the Nankhatai are 2 cups of maida, 1 cup of sugar powdered, 3/4 cup cooking butter, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and pista for garnishing. Viewers and friends, remember to use the same cup for precise measure of ingredients. Also, the ingredients I'm using will bake up to 20 to 25 Nankhatais depending on size. You can vary it, but always remember, no matter how much maida you use, always use half the amount of powdered sugar. For our dough, we will add maida, and powdered sugar, baking powder, and mix it thoroughly. Then we will add cooking butter and start kneading our dough. While kneading the dough, we will add up to 1/4 cup of oil. The reason why we are adding oil is to ensure the shape we give to our Nankhatais does not crack. After our dough is ready, we will make small shapes like these. Now our Nankhatai is ready to bake in the oven. Use a microwave tray and place each Nankhatai with an inch of distance so that they don't stick to each other while they increase in size. Now we have preheated the oven at 160 degrees and will bake the Nankhatais on the low rack for 20 minutes. Now our Nankhatai is ready. This is a perfect high tea snack and would be perfect for any occasion. Hope you guys liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back soon with a new recipe. Thank you.